There's a line from a commercial that describes living with fibromyalgia. I look like most people, but on the inside. As a child, I can honestly say that's how I felt. Except instead of pain, it was insecurity. The challenge was being the child of a German mother and a Native American father when such unions weren't the norm. I dealt with this by trying to blend in. In my child's mind, I reasoned, if I don't tan, then I'll be like everyone else. Now, decades later, the best part of my day is when I head out on a run, when the sun is warm on my skin. Still, some insecurity remains, but that's okay. It's kind of like an accent that says a lot about where I came from, but has mellowed with age. The happiest part of this story is my children. They're adults now and accept others unconditionally. There's no mistrust like how their parents felt when they weren't always accepted, and they're secure in their skin. Having grown up in California, with its reputation for embracing the unique and different, I think this greatly shaped their worldview. California's open-mindedness is their open-mindedness. It's an amazing thing, how from one generation to another, some wounds can and do heal. Of course, I had a feeling all would work out when my eldest was 2. Enchanted with a new friend, she pointed to her tanned arm and said, "Look, I'm a little dark too." It was her little way to say, "I'm just like you." There are times when we look for answers from others, important people in our lives, family, friends, yet sometimes it's community that teaches and heals us best. I don't know if all Californians have a Eureka moment, but that was mine.